Hey everyone, today we will solve a LeetCode problem. Okay, so let's read the problem statement. Given an array of integers num and an integer target, return indices of two numbers such that they add up to target. You may assume that each input would have exactly one solution and you may not use the same element twice. You can return the answer in any order. Here we have an example. A list of nums which contains these elements and a target which is 9. Okay, so we have to return indices that adds up and makes the target. So let's go to code section. Here we have a class named as solution and a function that takes a list of integers nums and a target integer and returns a list of two integers representing the indices of two numbers in the list that add up to that target. So let's initialize a map of type int and int. I would name this as name map and initialize as empty. Okay, so I have created a empty map to store the numbers from the input list, nums as keys and their indices as values. This map will be used to quickly look up the index of a numbers complement when iterating through the list. Okay, so let's declare a for loop. So iterate through the input list nums using a for loop. Okay, so let's find complement. Int complement is equal to target minus nums. Okay, so here we will calculate the complement of the current number by subtracting it from the nums list. The complement is the number that needs to be added to the current number to achieve the target sum. Okay, I hope so that is clear. Okay, so now check if that exists in the map we have declared above. So we will check if nummap dot contains key. Okay, so we will pass complement and if the maps contains the key, we will return a list. First of all, nummap and complement it can be null. Okay, so then the current index. In case if the complement does not exist in the map, we will store the current number and its index in the map for future lookup. Okay, so let's do that. Map nums I is equal to I. Okay, if no solution is found after iterating through the entire list, throw an argument error indicating that there is no solution. Okay, so we will throw an argument error. Okay, so now let's run the program. Okay, so our case 1 is accepted, case 2 is accepted, and case 3 is accepted. Okay, so let's submit the problem. All right, we have just tackled the twosum problem using Dart, and here is a quick rundown of what we have learned. First off, our Dart solution effectively finds two numbers from a given list that add up to a specific target sum. How well? We cleverly utilize a map to store numbers and their indices, which allows us to speedily assess information during iteration. By calculating each number's complement and swiftly checking its existence in the map, we can pinpoint the pair that sums to the target sum.